All right, guys, for our second technique is called wet on wet. And you notice that there's a tape here in the middle, and that's because there's two different ways that you can do wet on wet, which I will show you. The first way is, I'll show you, we get your brush wet, and you can just make a shape or a line. For my purpose, I'm just going to make a line, maybe a little bit more water. So now I have one strip of wet paper on my project. Next, I'm going to pick any color. It doesn't matter, and for this purpose, I'm going to go right into my blue again. Maybe add a little bit more water to my brush. And then I'm just going to touch that wet streak that I made. And you'll notice that the water makes your color spread out, and it's not going to go anywhere on the dry paper. It stays right on the wet paper. There's lots of different ideas you can do with this. You can make a shape. I'll make a small little shape here, maybe a little heart. Get my blue and just poke it right in there, and it kind of spreads out. And it only goes on the wet paper and not the dry. So go ahead and do your first wet on wet technique.